Hi friends. The Indian Space Research Organisation, commonly referred to as ISRO, is the National Space Agency of India. It operates under the Department of Space, DOS, which is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India, while the chairman of ISRO also acts as the executive of DOS. Welcome to Indian Talks. Chandrayaan 3 has several critical events. If the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, successfully executes the Chandrayaan 3 mission, India will join an exclusive list of just 3 other countries that have achieved a soft landing on the moon: the United States, the erstwhile Soviet Union, and most recently, China. Chandrayaan 3 has several critical events ahead, including Earth-bound maneuvers, insertion into the lunar orbit, separation of the lander, a series of deboost maneuvers, and a power descent phase for a soft landing. Veeramuthuvel, the project director of the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft, provided this information. The 1st of August, Chandrayaan 3 completes its Earth orbits and will now embarks on its journey towards the moon. A remarkable perigee firing at ISRO, ISRO, has skillfully placed the spacecraft into its translunar orbit. As it approaches the lunar vicinity, the eagerly awaited lunar orbit insertion, LOI, is meticulously scheduled for August 5, 2023. The 26th of July, the translunar injection, TLI, is scheduled for August 1, 2023, sometime between midnight and 1 am IST. The scheduled TLI will slingshot the spacecraft towards the moon, marking the beginning of its lunar journey. ISRO officially verified the triumphant completion of the third orbit-raising maneuver, executed between 2 and 3 pm IST on Tuesday, July 18. The spacecraft currently orbits the Earth at a proximity of 228 kilometers at its closest and reaches a maximum distance of 51,400 kilometers. The next firing event is slated for Thursday, July 20th, between 2 pm and 3 pm IST. Chandrayaan 3 position. As of the 25th of July, ISRO validated Chandrayaan's new orbit parameters. In its latest orbit, the spacecraft will perch at a distance of 233 kilometers from the Earth at its nearest and 71,351 kilometers at its farthest. The comprehensive reports by scientists at ISRO encompass essential details concerning the upcoming landing of the rover on the moon. As per expectations, the vehicle will be deployed on the uncharted south pole of the moon, where it will conduct investigations into water, ice, and minerals. This presents a significant advantage for India, as the South Pole remains a relatively unexplored region with immense scientific potential. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organisation, plans to disclose the results of the safe landing on the moon, along with in-depth analyses, on the 14th of July or later. The specifics of the mission, including analytical data, will be made available to the public, enabling everyone to partake in this remarkable scientific endeavor. What is translunar injection? Translunar injection, TLI, is a critical maneuver performed by spacecraft or rockets to leave Earth's orbit and travel to the moon. It is an essential part of lunar missions and is typically executed after the spacecraft achieves low Earth orbit (LEO) following its launch. The purpose of the translunar injection is to give the spacecraft the required velocity and trajectory to escape Earth's gravitational pull and enter a trajectory that will intercept the moon. Essentially, TLI is the process of boosting the spacecraft's speed and energy to enter a translunar trajectory. ISRO future mission will explain in next episode. I hope you understand. If you like this episode, please like, share, subscribe.